This only costs like 40 cents more than this purple one. And it's the same, the thing is, this one here is gonna hold more paint. I can run more up here. And the thing I like, when I use a 6-inch roller, it's not as heavy over your head. It's easier to work with. It doesn't spit all over the place. You got one of these, and if you're painting all day long, and if you're not a professional painter, which I'm not, but when I get done with this job, it's gonna look like a professional did it. That's why I'm hoping you watch these videos, okay? It's difficult to get that up there and to run it along there with the same amount of pressure, the same amount of paint as you go, because you don't wanna, it's hard to do a little bit here and then go over your head and then kind of go this way, and you're backhanding, forehanding and stuff. And this, you think, oh, hey, it's easy, and you start doing it, and after about 20 minutes, you're gonna see what I'm talking about, especially if you got a 10-foot ceiling. This one's only 8 feet, you know? So I'm gonna have a nice, easy go of it. But if this was 10-foot ceiling, if you can barely reach it with your paint pole, as you're going, you do it up over your head, the stuff comes down in your face and your eyes and all over your clothes, and it's hard to cut in with that, and it gets heavy, and your paint extension piece is bending just a little bit, and you know, you got to know what you're doing to put the exact same amount of pressure on there, because I don't want stop and goes, and I don't want thick paint here and a little bit thinner and a little bit thicker, and it's not blending all in. Way easier for me to use the 6-inch. It takes a little bit longer, but it's easier to work with, and I can paint. I'll be painting ceilings I can paint ceilings all day long using that 6-inch. And you know, yeah, it's going to take me a while, but see all this high stuff? I got to get up there on a ladder. Last thing I want is running a heavy paint extension pole, and that the paint gets heavy on there. The roller cover is heavier, and the actual roller frame is heavier. Okay, so that's why I'm going to use the 6-inch